Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the whiteboard on the Zoom meeting. So if you are in the Zoom meeting, you will have to go to the bottom right corner and tap on More. And here the third option, fourth option will be the whiteboard. And if you tap on it, you can call in an existing whiteboard or you open a new whiteboard by tapping on it. You wait a little to load in. And here you can use these pencils on the right side. And the participants will see them. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.